This is Tanvir Kazmi from my news channel See the World through Tanvir Kazmi. Today I want to discuss a very important news. Within 2 days, an attack happened in Kashmir of India, part of Kashmir, which has caused major division again and a lot of issues between two countries. The sad point is, yes, we are sad that Indian people has lost valuable family members and their sufferings. We all are sad, not only you, even entire Pakistan and the world is feeling bad. But keep in your mind, this terrorism or this kind of action is not, you're not only following. Pakistan has lost 70,000 army people, young men, 70,000 families are suffering. And they also lost 1 million innocent people, sons, husbands, daughters, and destruction. Afghanistan also suffered a lot. So let's not go back to blaming each other immediately. The sad part is it is okay. We all agree that this is bad, but we should never blame each other immediately without investigation. Even in small city, even the most developed country all over the world, go to Europe, Australia, New Zealand, America, Canada, and look at the newspaper. How many homicide cases are there? Not one or two, thousands and thousands. Even small city has average 10 to 20 murders every day. This is a problem of the humanity. This is a war between the Rakshas, Satan, devil, and the human progress. We need to learn together not to blame each other. The very sad that immediately without investigation you started blaming another country which has already suffering from the last so many years. 70 years, you both countries are doing nothing except destruction and hate. What happened? Look at the South Asian countries. They all are under extreme poverty. They don't have water. They don't have food to eat. They have no proper residence to live. They don't have clothes to wear. One house, 20 people living in extreme poverty. Why? Because we don't tolerate each other. We have religious differences. We are one family of Adam spread all over the world. Look at your face, look at your body, look at your eating habits. Entire world people, we are same. Be aware of the Satan who has caused division between us. We need to sit down. If you have any heavy problem, if you have any issue, call each other. Prime ministers must call each other immediately and try to find out who did it instead of blaming each other. 1 billion versus 240 million people are blaming each other all the time without proof. Your media has gone too far. Without proof, how can they immediately put blame within a few minutes? That's definitely a very immature behavior what your country is showing. Yes, the problem is there. Every day I said entire world people are suffering because we are not following the footsteps of the God. We have our Creator. We have holy books available which telling us you are one family under one God spread all over the world. Let's come back and talk to each other. Let's not destroy you. From the last few years, after many years, both countries and around South Asian countries are slowly developing themselves, going back to into a better residence and areas. Don't go back to poverty again. Blaming destruction, wars do nothing except hate, destruction of loss of all privileges you have. Talk to each other. Every time you have problem, call and ask for help to find out who did this. Find out who has done this major task. This way, slowly you will eliminate the root cause of the issues. Thousands of millions of people died in Afghanistan, innocent people. Millions of people died in Pakistan. India is suffering. Bangladesh is suffering. Every world has some kind of problem. Let's not go back to destruction. Let's not go back to hate. Call each other. Prime Minister need to go call each other and ask for help to investigate. Once you investigate, then instead of because of few people, do not blame remaining 240 million people and billions of people. Learn to work together. Think about Even in a small family of 5 or 10, how much issues you have, even murders, hate, divorce happens. How can you expect billions of people of life with no trouble? So let's not blame. Let's not go the route of destruction again. Not only you make other people suffer, you will also suffer. Indian people are very mature and educated. They must learn to be patient, and you need to control your media. The news media do not relay any news until proper investigation. Prime ministers, they should talk to each other every day for next few days, and involve all law enforcement, and then find out the solution. Let's come back to one family all over the world. We are one family spread. Keep in your mind this life is a test. If we fail here, we will never get a chance to live forever life in the next life. So let's go back to peace. Let's go back to again coming back to the progress. We need to progress again. Let's not go back to hunger and poverty by destruction and killing each other. So be patient and do investigation and control your media and live as a one family all over the world. In your holy books, in our holy books, there's nothing written about India or Pakistan or America. Only God and Bhagwan says, "Oh my people, Rakshas is your enemy. Oh my people, you are one family spread all over the world. We are one family. It's a one house. So come back to talk. Stop hating each other. The problem will never gonna go 100% away. There will always be issues. Investigate, talk to each other. Talk to each other every day. This is the only hope for our coming back to the prosperity again. Take care. See you next time. Bye.